In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create parent accounts in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, understanding how to efficiently set up parent accounts can really streamline your data management and strengthen the hierarchy within your system. Let's dive in and go through this step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the App tab located at the top corner. This is your go-to spot for accessing all the various functionalities within Salesforce. From here, make sure to select Accounts. This is the central hub where you manage your organization's account hierarchy and related business information. If you're unfamiliar with it, think of the Accounts section as the organizational heart, where all business-specific data gets arranged and structured seamlessly. Once you're in the Account section, you'll have two options. You can either create a new account or open an existing one that you wish to designate as the parent. If you're leaning towards creating a new account, simply click on the New button. This will open up the Account Details interface, allowing you to enter specific information relevant to that account. On the other hand, if you're planning to work with an existing account, all you need to do is navigate through your list of accounts and open the one you need. At this juncture, setting the parent account is a crucial step. In the designated Parent Account field, search for the existing account you want to designate as the parent. Salesforce, with its intuitive and user-friendly interface, makes this task a breeze. Just enter the name of the existing account and it should appear. Select it and you will have effectively set it as the parent for your current account. This feature is invaluable for creating a well-organized hierarchy in your organization's client relationships. Once you've selected the parent account, it's time to fill out the remaining details of the account you're creating or modifying. This includes necessary elements like the name, industry, and phone number. Taking the time to accurately and thoroughly complete these fields is vital as it ensures data integrity and enhances the overall utility of your account's database. These details empower your team to easily access and evaluate essential information whenever needed. With everything filled out and double-checked, the final step is to click Save. By doing this, you commit all the changes and make them live within your system. It's always a good practice to double-check your entries before hitting Save, ensuring that all the information is accurate and complete. And there you have it. You've successfully created or modified an account within Salesforce with your chosen parent account. Mastering this process will make managing and utilizing your organization's account data more effective and organized. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and guidance on using Salesforce. Happy Salesforce navigating!